Guys, just look at that. Yeah, this is the real damage we got from the rains. You can see. Whoa, 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 whoa. You can imagine. Yeah, this is unbelievable. You can see. Heading this other side, our corn are somehow better. They are not affected as much as you saw on the other side. Good morning, guys. It's your boy here, Clinton, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in our today's video, I'm actually coming live and clear from our home, but for now I'm in our farm. Yeah, you can see I'm in our maize farm. Wow, you can see. And now they're actually flowering. You can see over there they are doing what we call flowering, and even some have started. You can see we are about to have some corn here in the village. Yeah, you can imagine. But guys, today I'm here in our farm. You can see I'm carrying a slasher over here. Yeah, actually I've been working with this slasher because actually it rained the other day, but there's something that happened. You can see our maize are kind of bending down. You can see we had a lot of rain the other day and a lot of winds at the same time, and that is why you can see our maize are kind of bending down. Yeah, actually let me take you to another place where they were affected a lot. Yeah, over here. Let's go, guys. You can see the maize are doing well, very, very green. You can see this one has fallen down. Yeah, let me show you something, guys. I don't know if you can see over here, guys. Yeah, let's just go up. Let's go up, guys. Sorry, you can see. I don't know if you can see over there, guys. Just look at that. Yeah, this is the real damage we got from the rains. You can see. Whoa, 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 whoa. You can imagine. Yeah, this is unbelievable. You can see, guys. Just look at that. You can imagine this is just this a rain. Yeah, doing this, and it came with a lot of wind. And at this time you can see these crops are actually flowering, and they are about to make the maize or the food. So today I came to our farm specifically to try to make them stand vertically just the way they were. Yeah, I don't know, guys how this one will go, but let's jump in and try to enable this maize or this corn to stand vertically. You can see. Wow, you know, these are real damage. Without you maybe making them to stand the way they were, they're not going to do good or to do well because they need a lot of sun for them to make food. Yeah. So guys, I just wanna start putting this maize in a vertical manner like that. Yeah. And I'm having a slasher here. I'm going to use it to enable them stand vertically by digging some soil around it. And guys, let's jump in and see how it goes. So guys, now I'm trying to take the maize back to their position the way they were, so that they can flower and bear some maize, guys, or some corn. Yeah, because there's no way they can bear their fruit while in this position. Yeah, they need sun for the photosynthesis process to take place. Yeah, and we're just here trying to use what we have. I'm using a slasher to gather the soil around. Yeah, it's kind of sharp. Oh, they're going down again. So guys, I'm trying to put some soil around them so that maybe they can be stable or be straight up, yeah, so that they can get enough sunlight. You can even see some are completely broken. Come close. You can see these ones, yeah. These are real damage, yeah. Eperiencing in the village. Wow. I don't know even what I'm going to do with them. Let me try to, yeah, put them in that position because there's no way I can enable them to stand again because they are broken. Yeah. Maybe they are going to be used as animal feeds. Maybe later, yeah. You can see even this one. Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know how I can do this. It's completely damaged. This one, let me just remove it. I'm going just to roll over here and cut some buttons for manure to the soil. Let's work on this other side. Some are completely broken, guys. You can imagine, yeah. Struggles in the village, yeah. These are the struggles, yeah. Just trying to put them stand just the way they were, yeah. Guys, let's hope it's not going to rain again today, or even if it's going to rain, let us not have strong winds, yeah, because they will be interfered again, yeah. Yeah, I'm just trying to make them to be upright, yeah, in some way. I don't know, these are side. Wow, you see they are trying to be in their normal position now, just the way they were. Come this other side, you can also show them the way I'm doing. So I'm doing them slowly, I'm doing them up slowly, and I dig some soil from this other side, yeah, you can see. Yeah, I dig some soil like that, and after that maybe I use, yeah, trying to make the soil a bit strong, yeah, or the ground, yeah, by pressing it, yeah. Wow. So that the roots can go back and be in the normal position as they were, yeah. Guys, you can see we are trying to bring our maize to the normal position that they were before it rained the other day. And you can see they are not bad. Yeah, you can show them. Yeah, they are now better. Yeah? These are aside. Let's do this, guys. Actually, a lot of maize were damaged. Yeah, you can show them just behind you. You can show them over there. Wow. A lot of maize, guys. You can see. But heading the other side, I think they're okay. This was the area that was affected so badly. Yeah, you can see. Yeah. So guys, that is the outcome. You can see down here we had some which were completely broken. You can come close and show them. You see over here, this one was completely broken. Maybe it's just going to, let me just remove it because there's no way it's going to grow again. It will just rot and add some manure to the soil. Yeah guys, I think we have just tried. You can see we have tried our best to put this maize the way they were. Come closer. Come around. You can see these are aside. Let's come. Wow. Oh guys. Wow guys, you can see our corn are now better than we found them in the morning when we came. Yeah. So come along. I think we're done with that part. Guys, you can see heading this other side, our corn are somehow better. They are not affected as much as you saw on the other side. Yeah. And guys, these are with fence. Yeah, you can see. These are with fence. We are using barbed wire in the village to fence, but we also prefer a lot of light fences. Yeah, like you can see on the other side, we have a light fence, and on the other side is our neighbor. Yeah. Wow, I can just show them. Yeah, they're actually flowering. There's what we call pollination, and our maize are almost ready. Yeah, and I remember we planted this farm like 3 months ago. close to 4 months now, and you can see the way they are doing very, very fast. Yeah. Wow, you can see over here. Maybe I need to do some. I need to slash this other side. Yeah, just come along. Wow, you can see on this other side there's not much impact as compared to the other far end where we're just coming from. And now maybe I need to do some slashing. Yeah, I need to slash. You see, this fence has just grown towards our farm, very, very closely. You can see. So maybe I need to start from the other side, or yeah, coming down this way. Yes, because I'm right-handed, guys. Yeah. So let's go. So guys, the reason I'm trying to slash this fence is to prevent it from growing towards our farm, yeah? Because you see it's a live fence. If you don't control it, it will just grow, yeah, and grow and become a bush. And over here we have this is what we call Lantana Camara, the seeds, yeah? These are how they look like. And they are growing a lot, you can see. And this is their flower, yeah, that's how it looks like. And guys, when you're doing this kind of activities, you need to have a gumboot. Yeah, you need to have a gumboot because you see this environment is so bushy that you can't know what is here. Huh? So you need to be very careful and dress properly before you come and work in this kind of environments. Yeah. Oh. I'm just trying to reduce the bush from growing towards our farm. Yeah, by slashing. Yeah. And you see here we have this is what we call gravelia. They really play a major role in trapping the nitrogen from the air, and because nitrogen is actually required by the plant to make food. They're actually the best when you plant them around your farm. Yeah? They're the best trees ever. Yeah? You can plant around your farm. Wow. Guys, you can see this is the way we do it, yeah? This is the way we do it. This is how we do it, guys. And over here, I have a tree. Come close and show them. These are an indigenous trees, guys. Over here, you can see there's another one over there, yeah, but they have actually branched. They have actually pruned it, yeah. You can see it's pruned. So this tree, we usually use it here in the village as a firewood, and actually as a shade as well. If you have this tree in your compound, they tend to grow very, very huge, very big, yeah, and they provide a very good shade, yeah. Even though at times they have some insects, yeah, which spit saliva, or even some caterpillars. Times it depends if when maybe it's raining, they are not much, or when it's dry, you're likely to find them, yeah. So I'm not going to cut this tree. I'm just going to give it a chance to grow. It has no effect to our farm, yeah. It's just a tree which is going to grow. That's it. Guys, over here, down here, this is another farm, but it was not affected so much by the rains or the wind the other day. And you see, the maize are okay, yeah. But for now, what I'm just doing, I'm just trying to slash, yeah, bring down, yeah, so that I can separate the fence and the farm, yeah. So let's continue, guys. Yeah. Then you see, this is how we just do it, yeah. We use a slasher, a simple tool. And actually, by the side of this fence, you can see we have a lot of lantana camara over here, you see. Yeah. These are lantana camaras, there are a lot. They are used for fencing, yeah, in the village. And over here, this is what we call the Mauritius stone plant, yeah. They actually produce those seeds, yeah. You can see. This is what I'm actually trying to prevent, yeah, by slashing, yeah, around our farm, so that the vegetation cannot grow into our corn or our maize farm, yeah, you can see. So they have a lot of thorns. I need to be very careful. Pause up. Wow, guys, now I'm done slashing our fence or trimming our fence. You can see now you can differentiate. You can have a space between the fence and the farm, yeah, and our corn, which are over here, yeah. Wow. And you see this tree, I'm going to allow it to grow. Let me show you. I'm going to allow this tree grow. You can see it's so beautiful, yeah. It's a good tree. I'm just going to allow it to grow. Over here we have another one. That is a gravelia. Very good when you plant it around your farm. Yeah, this is the indigenous one. You can see. And actually, I don't know, guys, if you can see, there's something over here. Let me show you. There's something, yeah. You can see over there. You can see that. It produces some gum, yeah, or some kind of glue stuff. Yeah. So, guys, you can see. Now our farm looks beautiful. Yeah, you can see that. Wow, there's a difference, or there's a space between the fence and the farm, and that is to mean our crops are not going to be interrupted or be damaged by the vegetation growing around our farm. Yeah, guys, let me just take you one more round around the farm, and then we're gonna end our video, guys. Yeah. Wow, just look at that. The views are just beautiful. Yeah, breathtaking. Wow. And our maize are doing well. They're green. Wow. Guys, over here there's a transition between the two farms. This is what we call mtaro. In Swahili we call them mtaro. And at times we usually graze our animals or our cows from there. From this space, you see. There's a lot of grass. Yeah. I don't know what you usually do with them in your specific countries or in your villages. Do you usually come and get the grass from here? You can see there's a lot of grass. Yeah. Do you usually come and get the grass from the mtaro or this garden over here? You see, there's a lot of grass. Do you usually come, gather the grass, take it to your animals, or you bring your animals? Yeah. Wow. Guys, look at that view. Yeah. It's a cloudy day. It's actually, it is partly sunny today, but I can say it's partly cloudy. Yeah. Wow. Because there's sun. Yeah. Wow. Let's go, guys. We are done. Yeah. The rain actually affected our farm. We had a lot of wind the other day when it was raining. Yeah. Even this farm a little bit. Yeah. But they're not affected so much as compared to this other farm over here. You see. Yeah. So guys, in the comment section, let us know what you think about this video. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider to do subscribe. We have a lot of village videos coming your way, a lot of culture, travel, and all that. And guys, from this beautiful village of Olmelil, I'd just like to say bye-bye. See you in our next video.